Hey everybody, this is KNK Traveling coming at you from Blue Compass RV in Dallas, Texas. We came down here to do something. We're going to let you know about it here in just a second, but I'd like to introduce you to Zach. He works here at Blue Compass and he's an outstanding salesman. And Zach, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, like you said, my name's Zach. I'm here at the Dallas Mesquite location of Blue Compass. We do have 110 stores, so we're able to help you out wherever you're at. We're able to sell any brand. I've been here for a little over 2 years now, and love helping people find out some new units and making their life a little bit better.
What kind of brands do you sell here, Zach?
So on my lot here, we have Alliance, Aurora, Flagstaff. We have motorhomes as well, Geneva, lots of different destination trailers as well. So pretty much anything that you're looking for, we do have.
Outstanding. Thank you, Zach. I also want to mention that if you're a veteran, we were treated like family down here. Veterans especially. If you're in the market for an RV, reach out to Zach. We'll post his information at the end of this to make sure that you reach out to Zach for any RV services you need. The way we met was we were doing research for over, I would say, about a year. We've been looking to upgrade to a fifth wheel because due to my height, I'm 6'3", we were having issues with the bumper pull. My head kept connecting with all kinds of things inside of it. Not to say that we didn't love our bumper pull, but we did a lot of research. We back up, we did a lot of research, and after we came to the Blue Compass website, we really liked the layout of it. And we inquired on one of the fifth wheels they had down here at Blue Compass, Dallas, Texas, in Mesquite. And when we inquired on it, Zach gave me an email and a text, and we started conversing on it for a while. And then after that, Zach invited us to an RV show this summer, or this spring, excuse me. And at that RV show, Zach got us into the RV show, showed us around, led us to the RVs we were looking at, and turned us loose. And we got to walk through them, look through them. We saw some that we were interested in that we decided we didn't like, or they just weren't for us. Once we got into them, and it switched, and we found one that we absolutely fell in love with. But at the time, we couldn't do it. So we waited. No pressure from Zach. Zach said, okay, when you're ready, just give me a call. That rocked on for a while. We were drooling over different RVs. We just kept coming back to this one. Due to the floor layout, the makeup of it, the backing of it, everything. And it fit our truck was one of the main things also. It lined up with the stuff for that. Also, about that time, Zach sent me another text. He sent me a text, invited us down to a crawfish boil that they were having here. Zach, you want to tell a little bit about that?
Yeah, so we have an annual crawfish boil every year, about the same time in April. We have free food, crawfish, hamburgers, hot dogs, and amazing discounts on all of our trailers. So they came over, had some free food, got to take a look at the trailer again, and we sat down and looked at some numbers, and we're able to make a deal with that.
Anytime you mix sales with food, it's a good thing. The food was great, but the numbers worked out great, and I just want to show you something. This is what Zach got us into. Zach, I want to say thanks. You're very welcome. He did us a great job down here, treated us like family again. And if you're ever in the market for an RV of any type, come down here, talk to Zach. We'll put his number down here somewhere. And Blue Compass RV, Dallas, Texas, in Mesquite, and he'll get you fixed up. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Keep RVing.